In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com the right way, so you can stay organized, keep your team aligned, and see everything in one clear overview without feeling overwhelmed. If you're juggling several projects at once and things are starting to get messy, this step-by-step guide will help you structure everything properly from the start. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create a separate board for each project. This is extremely important because each project should have its own space, its own tasks, its own deadlines, and its own team assignments. On the left sidebar in Monday.com, click on the plus Add button. From the menu, select New Board. Now give your board a clear project title, for example, Project A Website Build. Make sure the name is specific so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose Main Board so your team can access it if needed, and then click Create Board. Once the board is created, repeat these exact steps for every project you're managing. By the end of this step, each project will have its own dedicated board, which keeps everything clean and prevents tasks from different projects from mixing together. Now that your boards are created, the next step is to add the right columns to each board. Columns are what make Monday.com powerful because they allow you to track different types of project data. On your board, click the plus icon on the far right to add a new column. Start by adding a status column. You can customize the labels to something like Planned, In Progress, and Done. Next, add a People column so you can assign tasks to specific team members. After that, add a Timeline or Date column to track start and end dates for each task. If your tasks depend on each other, add a Dependencies column to connect related items. It's also a good idea to add a Priority column so you can clearly mark what's high, medium, or low priority. And if you need to track how long tasks take, you can add a time tracking column as well. Go through and add each column one by one, then adjust the labels and settings to match your workflow. Repeat this structure across all your project boards to keep everything consistent. Next, let's organize tasks inside each project board using groups. Groups allow you to break a project into clear phases. At the top or bottom of your task list, click New Group. You can create groups such as Planning, Execution, Review, and Completed. This structure helps you visually separate early-stage tasks from active work and finished items. As tasks progress, you can drag and drop them from one group to another. This keeps your board clean and makes it very easy to see what stage each task is in at a glance. Do this for every project board, so each one follows a clear workflow structure. Now here's where everything comes together. If you're managing multiple projects, you don't want to open each board individually just to check progress. Instead, use a dashboard to oversee all projects at once. Go back to the left sidebar and click plus Add, then select New Dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, click Add Widget. You can now choose different widgets to display information from multiple boards. Add a table widget if you want to see tasks from several project boards in one combined view. Add a Gantt widget to visualize timelines across all projects and spot overlaps or delays. Use a chart widget to track status distribution, like how many tasks are in progress versus done. You can also add a numbers widget to count overdue tasks across all projects. When prompted, select multiple boards to connect to the dashboard. Once connected, your dashboard becomes your project portfolio overview, showing you everything in one centralized place. And that's it. You now know how to properly manage multiple projects in Monday.com by separating them into individual boards, structuring them with the right columns, organizing tasks into groups, and then bringing everything together with a powerful dashboard overview. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.